What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we'll be talking about 6 of the 16 different activities you could do with your family for one flat rate. Now, what am I talking about? Well, it's called the Pogo Pass. For those who don't know, the Pogo Pass is this thing you can buy for one price, and you can do 16 different activities. So that's what we'll be talking about today. Speaking of Pogo Pass, this video is sponsored by them, so I just want to give a quick thanks to them for sponsoring this video. And for you guys, there's a special treat. So if you use my code, which is FUNSIZER, then you can get 50% off. The first attraction we'll be talking about is family fun for anyone, and don't worry because it even makes the perfect date night, and it's bowling. So you can go bowling at Gold Coast, the Orleans, Suncoast, and Sam's Town, and you get 1 game per month. And let's say you don't go bowling that often, don't worry because you have a whole year to use your Pogo Pass. For this next attraction, I'm definitely calling all of my adventurous outdoorsy people for this because this is rock climbing, but it's not just any rock climbing, it's indoor rock climbing. The Pogo Pass includes 3 visits to this rock climbing center, and if you've never been rock climbing or you're still not sure, don't worry because they walk you through it all. They walk you through how to put on the harness, how to be safe, how to climb, how to be the person that controls the rope, how to be the person on the wall, how to come down. They go over everything with you. Safety is a really big thing for them, and it's all mats. When you're walking on the rock climbing area, it's all mats, it's all padded, and they rent out special shoes for you to wear too. And for all you pet lovers out there, I will say if you like dogs, then definitely come to this spot because the owner does have his 2 dogs with him. They're very friendly. They usually don't bother the customers, and they usually stay behind the counter. However, if their owner is helping somebody, they will walk around on the form. So that also goes for those who has allergies like myself. Definitely take an allergy pill before coming here. And also it is indoor rock climbing, but they do have big fans on at all times so you guys will not overheat. And they also provide lockers for you to put your stuff in if you don't want to just leave it in your car. And they have more to offer than just rock climbing. They also have this little exercise area right here in the corner. This next spot is definitely for my indecisive people out there, and don't worry, I'm right there with you guys. This is called the Rex Center. It's located in the Boulevard Mall, and they have anything and everything you could possibly think of. They have axe throwing, beer pong, mini golf, goat carts, rock climbing, laser tag. This spot is definitely the spot to be, especially if you are with a big group who can't really decide on what to do, because this spot has a little bit of everything. And they even have food there, so why not? When using the Pogo Pass, you can get up to 2 visits to this Rex Center. Alright, and another quick reminder, if you guys are definitely sold, there are 16 activities that are included in the Pogo Pass, and these are just some of them. They do go for all ages, and just another reminder, if you do use my code, you can get half off. Again, the code is FUNSIZER. Alright, so let's say at this point you're sold on the Pogo Pass, but you're like, man, it's really hot, I'm not trying to be out in the heat. Well, Pogo Pass has you. Cowabunga Bay is a water park that is 23 acres, and you can get 1 visit with the Pogo Pass. And they also have 25 water slides, a wave pool, an endless river, kids play area, a splash pool, and for those adults out there who like to drink or just want to have a nice time as well, they also have areas for adults where you can sit and watch your kids go down water slides and drink some alcohol. And if you guys are anything like my family, if you're going to a water park, you're making it last all day. Well, don't worry because Cowabunga Bay has you covered. They serve a lot of food. They have a little food area, and then they also have food booths in between the water slides and each of the different areas offered at Cowabunga Bay. This was my first time coming to Cowabunga Bay, but my favorite part about this was their dive-in pool. You can dive into the wave pool and they will put on a movie for you, so I thought that experience alone was really cool. But if you are new to water parks or Vegas heat in general, please wear a lot of sunscreen and invest in some good water shoes because the ground is hot, and if you don't believe me, try doing it barefoot because, honey, it's scorching. Alright, this next location is definitely for the kids that want to be superheroes because this place is crazy. They have trampolines, obstacle courses, they have the climbing walls, super slides, a ninja course, mega play structures, a mini zip line, spider towers, and a ball blast area. And don't worry, for you guys who have toddlers out there, they also have a designated toddler section where you can watch your kids at all times as well. And the last and final attraction that we'll be talking about today that is included in the Pogo Pass is called Lost Worlds Myth and Magic. It is an indoor play center that is medieval themed, but don't worry because they have everything from a toddler play area to laser tag. Along with that, they also have a rock climbing wall, a ninja warrior course, a giant donut slide, a couple of ball pits, arcade games that you can also get prizes for, and in the middle of all of that action, they have a big play castle that you guys can go into. But if that's not your forte, then don't worry, because they also have mini bowling. And don't forget, Pogo Pass has a lot more to offer. Like I said in the beginning, they have 16 different attractions. These are only 6 of 16. So if you guys like this, be sure to check their website out for more attractions that they have to offer. And don't forget to use my code FUNSIZER for half off your order. Alright, you guys, that concludes our video for today, so thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have heard of the Pogo Pass, if you've used it, what your experiences were. And don't forget to use my code, because it will help you guys in the long run. And thank you again for Pogo Pass for sponsoring this video, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while I add it. Toodles!